Banana? What do you think? I guess so. Do you want to try a banana? Do you like it? You're not eating it. Are you going to eat it? Set. You didn't eat yours. Oh, we're chewing it now. She liked the banana. I don't know if you liked it. Do we like mango? Give it to Bella. Stella. What do we think? We're not sure. Oh, that's a no. No? No, Stella? What about your sister? She likes weird foods. Stella, Bella. Oh, she's eating it. Do you like mango?
Stella's eating it now.
Yes, we're in a weird onesie today. She got spayed yesterday. We don't like it? Oh, we're gonna fight over it? Oh, no, we're not sure.
I like food, but not this food.
She's not gonna let her have it though. Not gonna have Bella have it?
Go.
Alright, you don't have to have it.
Oh, it's stinky. I think one of them farted.
You don't have to have it, Stella. Okay, we give up. I bet Bella eats it. Are you staring longingly at the watermelon? What are you doing? You don't need any more treats. No. Thank you. She loves watermelon. Both of you want watermelon? No more. No. Down. Good girl. No more. Okay, one more. Ready? One more.